Title: Step-by-Step Financial Makeover, Elevating from Middle Class to Rich. Welcome to our transformative series designed to guide you on your journey from the middle class to financial abundance. In this empowering video, we will explore 5 key points that will set you on the path to becoming truly wealthy. Get ready to unlock your potential and witness the possibilities of transforming your financial future. 1. Mindset shift. The foundation of any successful transformation is a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Learn to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace an abundance mindset. Cultivate the belief that wealth is achievable for anyone, including you. 2. Financial education. Gain a comprehensive understanding of personal finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies. We will dive into the power of budgeting, saving, and smart investment choices that align with your long-term goals. 3. Entrepreneurial insights. Discover the world of entrepreneurship and how it can accelerate your journey to riches. Learn from inspiring success stories of entrepreneurs who started from modest beginnings and achieved great financial heights. 4. Multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single income source can be limiting. Explore the concept of creating multiple streams of income, such as passive income through investments, real estate, or online ventures. 5. Wealth preservation. Becoming rich is not just about earning more, it's also about preserving and growing your wealth over time. We will explore essential wealth preservation techniques, including risk management, tax optimization, and estate planning. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards transforming your financial life from middle class to rich. By adopting a growth mindset, educating yourself on finance, embracing entrepreneurship, diversifying income streams, and preserving your wealth, you are on your way to achieving remarkable success. Remember, the journey may have its challenges, but with dedication and perseverance, you can create a future filled with abundance and financial freedom. Stay inspired, stay engaged, and take consistent action on your path to prosperity. Happy wealth building!